Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to make laundry soap again. I've done at least one other video on this, but I've changed it up a little bit. It's still basically the same, but instead of just one bar of either one of these, I add both now. I think it does a little bit better job cleaning, and I like the smell. So, and I think this one's, the naphtha is 96 cents or 92 cents. It's 97 cents, and the Zote is $1.06. So you're only adding another $1, but I think it does a better job cleaning. You get more suds when it's washing, that kind of thing. I use borax. You could use the Arm & Hammer laundry booster. Borax is sodium tetraborate, and Arm & Hammer laundry booster is sodium carbonate. So they're both excuse me, they're both phosphate free. I just choose to use this. I think it costs, I don't know, cents more. It's not even $1 more, but there's also more in the box. So what I'm going to start with, I've got a grater to grate these soaps up. I've got a wand mixer. You don't have to have this, but it does make it a lot easier. I've got a measuring cup, 1 cup, and I have the least expensive powder laundry detergent I could find at Walmart. And I add this. Basically, I've seen other videos where they say add this and it keeps it a liquid as opposed to it gelling up and solidifying. So a cup of that takes care of that, supposedly. So I do it. Never tried it without it. I have used liquid detergent and it seemed to do the same thing. And then I've got hot water in this 5-gallon bucket. This is a food safe 5-gallon bucket with the screw-on lid. So to start, we're going to grate, and I've only got a half full, if I didn't say that. It's half full of hot water. Once I get it all mixed up good, then I'll add the other 2.5 gallons roughly to top it off, and I'll mix it again. But this wand only goes so far in. If I fill it all the way up, I can't go all the way down. That's the only reason I do that. These are all safe to handle without gloves. I mean, some people would argue this isn't, but it's not safe to ingest, but to touch your hands, it isn't. There's no warning for that. Now you have the Zote in the white or the pink bar. I buy the pink. All right. So that's what you're looking at. Looks like grated cheese. And then we'll do the naphtha. This has a very lemony smell to me. All right. So we got that. And that's the most work there is grading that. I mean, the rest of it's so easy, it's almost funny. But we're going to add 1 cup of our cheap detergent. We're going to add 1 box of borax. And then we're going to add our soap. And then we just mix. We just continue to mix this up. I'll also stir it up just to get the stuff off the bottom. I have a little too much in here till you get the wand all the way to the bottom. There's a little too much water. But you can still see there's some chunks in there. Now as I let this sit, those chunks will come to the top, and the more chunks are in there, it'll form like a bar of soap. Not totally congealed, but it'll all come to the top, and you can do this again and get it all ground up even better. So I'm going to hit it one more time, and then I'm going to add water, the rest of the water to it. And then what we do is we just fill milk jugs. I was using an old plastic dispenser from a liquid detergent dispenser, but if you don't get every little chunk of that out of there, the soap, it'll clog that spigot. So this works way better. It's easier, it comes out faster, it's quicker. If they get old, we just recycle a new one into it. Alright, there we go. We'll put the lid on it. It's that simple. For $6.96, I made 5 gallons of laundry detergent. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.